Kish here. So today I'll be going to show you guys how to style your denim jacket in 4 different ways. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. If you're wearing a bodycon dress but you're feeling a little bit shy, so actually feel like this is so out, I mean, you get what I mean, right? Like, it's too revealing for everyone. So you can actually take your jacket and actually make it like this. Oh my god, it's super nice. And you can match it with a pair of heels. It will look super nice as well. Cute and nice. The second look will be with a denim skirt and the same tank top just now I actually used, and the jacket. And you can throw on some pair of boots to make it look even more nicer. So this is actually a basic look. It's actually with a jeans and with a tank top on it and with my jeans jacket. I think this is super basic look, and it also looks simple and nice. And you can also use this for uni as if you want to. You can actually change t-shirts to actually make it look even more nicer. So it will actually look like a little bit different. So the last look will actually be with a pair of leggings and a long shirt. As you can see, the shirt is super long, and you can pair it with a jeans jacket. It will look super nice. You can use a pair of joggers to go with it, and yeah, this is the final look. Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below if you love. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys love this video, and